Hey guys, welcome to Click Learn Tutorials. Today we're walking through how to create phone case mockups in Photoshop. Perfect whether you're selling on Etsy or working with a client. Let's jump in. Start by selecting the Pen tool on the left sidebar. Use it to carefully trace around the phone case, clicking along the edges to create a path all the way around. Once you've closed the loop, right-click, choose Make Selection, and hit OK. This selects the area you just outlined. Next, head to the Layers panel in the bottom right. Make sure your photo layer is selected, then press Ctrl-J or Command-J on Mac to duplicate just the selected area onto a new layer. This gives you a clean, isolated phone case, your canvas for the design. Now let's remove the camera cutout. Using the Pen tool again, trace around the camera hole, staying as close to the inner edge as possible. Avoid dipping into the white area, that'll create messy edges. Right-click again, select Make Selection, and press Ctrl-J, Command-J on Mac, to cut out the camera shape. Now you're ready to insert your design. Drag your design file into the project. Ideally, your design should match the dimensions of the phone case area you traced. For reference, mine is usually around 1400 by 2250 pixels. Once it's in, press Enter to place it. Then use the Move tool and hit Ctrl-T, Command-T on Mac for free transform. Hold Ctrl or Command and drag the corners to match the angle of the phone case. Go to the Layers panel and place the design between the phone case layer and the camera cutout layer. Right-click on your design layer and select Create Clipping Mask. This clips the design to the phone case shape. To make it look more realistic, go to the Blending Modes dropdown where it says Normal and choose Multiply for both the design and the case layers. If it looks too dark, adjust the exposure or brightness slightly on the case layer to get it just right. And that's it. You've got a clean, professional mockup ready to go. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tutorials.